How you doing, guys? This is James from Advanced In-Car Tech. It's nearly Christmas, and today we have been working on this Mercedes E-Class. It's convertible, so it's an E350 convertible. It's the W207 model, and it's a 60 plate, so 2010, 2011. And this is the NTG 4 Audio 50. So no nav, just radio, FM and Bluetooth, with multifunction display and steering wheel. So the customers come in and wanted us to fit a reversing camera, which has been quite a challenge in this model, not only because getting the camera cable from the back to the front has been a bit of a nightmare, but also because this car is a manual. Now, you don't see many manual Mercedes, especially of this sort of caliber and this model. Okay, so I'm going to pop it into reverse, and as soon as you pop the car into reverse, the screen will automatically switch over to the video signal, which is for the reversing camera. You can just see a little bit of the rear bumper, and then you've got your red guideline here. Now, because this is an aftermarket camera, we have fitted this standard wedge camera on the back of the grab bar at the back, but the grab bar on this model slightly angles out, so the red guidelines here are just guidelines, but we still actually do have, they are all active. So as far as showing the trajectory of where the car's going to end up, it will do. But this is a slightly older model, so the technology behind it is not as clean cut and accurate as the newer models that are coming out in 2018, 19, but it still gives you a nice clean picture with the moving guidelines, which is what people want these days. So take it out of reverse, go back to the main screen or telephone screen, whatever you're doing, pop it into reverse again, and you've got then the moving guidelines. So let's just reverse up. Let's reverse up to our door. Okay, fantastic. Now, just to complement the sensors as well, you've also got the parking just to complement the camera. You've got the parking sensors you might be able to hear in the background, and I've got a visual display up on the dashboard, which is the standard factory Mercedes one. So let's just try again, put it into reverse, and screen flicks over. So this is the Mercedes E350 convertible two-door coupe. And we fitted an aftermarket reversing camera with the standard NTG 4 Audio 50 standard radio system. If you've got a car like this or similar, and you've got this kind of radio or screen and you want a reversing camera, get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as usual, thanks very much for watching.